Ready? Start. This is a famous quote by Jawaharlal Nehru on women. Stop. The status of women depicts the social, economic and mental condition in a nation. Stop. Women have been regarded as a symbol of spirituality in our scriptures. Stop. At, women were denied rights and equality in ancient Indian civilization. Stop. They have been treated badly and unequally to men. Stop. Social evils such as dowry, sati system, child marriage, and female infanticide were widely prevalent in the early ages. Stop. The spread of education and self-consciousness among women has led to their progress over the period. Stop. Women of today are empowered. Stop. Also, women are gaining advancements and success in each and every field. Stop. True female liberty is only achievable when people shift their restrictive attitudes and mindsets regarding women. Stop. Going back to our origins, we can see how vital women are to society, not only biologically, but also culturally. Stop. Women have been mentioned in our Vedas and ancient books since ancient times, and they have been assigned important positions. Stop. Because of the contributions of women, the texts of Ramayana and Mahabharata have been tremendously influenced, and due to women, they may have become the most sacred of all. Stop. But during the past few centuries, the conditions of women were worsened. Stop. Previously, women were referred to as housekeepers. Stop. It was thought and passed down to others that women are meant to marry, take care of the house and their in-laws, and sacrifice all of their aspirations in order to realize the dreams of their husbands and children. Stop. Furthermore, women were kept out of school because families believed that only boys deserved to be educated and follow their aspirations. Stop. Women were married off at a young age, and occasionally without their consent. Stop. They have also been subjected to a slew of dehumanizing practices, societal neglect, and rituals designed to limit them, and they are frequently considered commodities rather than human beings. Stop. Women, in the early ages, were very educated but suffered from the evils of society. Stop. Some open-minded citizens like Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Swami Vivekanand, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, and others worked for the well-being of women. Stop. Thus, the practices of sati, child marriage, and others were abolished. Stop. Various acts such as the Child Marriage Restraint Act were passed in this direction. Stop. Mahatma Gandhi also emphasized the abolition of child marriages. Stop. Women were also provided training in material arts. Stop. Moreover, women acquired a significant position in politics.